Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS to stream easily on YouTube. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to go and open your OBS, and it's going to be something that is similar to this. Now from here, you're going to go to the settings, and after you put all your sources for the display capture and the main microphone, you're going to go here and click on stream. From here, you're going to click on the service, go to YouTube, and then from here you have two options. You can connect your account, which is the easiest method, or you can use the stream key. To do either of those two, you're going to have to log into your YouTube account, start your live stream anyways, because the first time you do it, it needs a 24-hour duration to fully confirm the YouTube channel, so it can be approved to be allowed to do live streams. After you do that, you're going to simply click on connect account, and then from here it's going to open the browser. Select whatever Google account that you would like, and then from here, after you connect it, as you can see currently it's connected to my account right here, and then you're going to click on ignore streaming service settings recommendations, click on yes, and then from here you're going to go to the output. On the streaming section, you're going to set your own customized preferences for the settings depending on your rig and how powerful your PC is. And then after all of that is done, you click on OK, and then from here you're going to simply drag this chat, which is going to be your live chat for YouTube, drag it on the side or whatever you would like. Then after that, you simply click on start streaming or manage your broadcast, which will have the title, the description, the privacy, the category, the thumbnail, and everything that you might need before you start any broadcast on YouTube. Very easy, very simple. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.